The original Springs Hotel, as seen on A&E's Ghost Hunters, Season 1, Episode 8. We're here in Okawville, Illinois, at the original Springs Hotel. The building as you see it now was opened May 1st, 1893, after a fire destroyed it in 1891. The lobby here, decorated with some interesting antiques, gave it a homey feel, yet reflected the 1893 vibe. We'll check out some of the interesting things. I'm thinking this was like some type of wood-burning stove. Got a really neat fireplace. Oh God, you can see me, jeez. An old coffee pot of some sort. Really cool stuff. Old pictures decorated through the whole building to really give it that old school vibe. Check out some of the stuff hanging up over here. Church directories, advertisements. Alright, let's go take a gander at some other stuff. Let's go down this hall and check it out. It's definitely a neat place. A little bit of a creepy vibe, obviously, from watching the Ghost Hunters episode. We'll be staying in room 1 back there, but let's go up here and kind of take a quick look around. The carpet gives me sort of a an overlook hotel vibe. Obviously, it's not the same, but definitely interesting. I mean, even though there's a little bit of a creepy vibe from watching the episode of Ghost Hunters, it's really quiet and doesn't feel off-putting at all. It feels very homey. I think this room's open up here. I don't think we'll go inside though. Back here in our room, as you can see, they've put some boards up on what would be the windows above the door, so you can't really creep in or peep in or whatever. But right off the bat, it's decorated with antiques, obviously, and old pictures. Very reflective of the times. Really nice though, clean. The air conditioning was put on for us, so very cool. The decorations are very interesting too. I'll show you some close-ups of that here in a little bit. Nice little bathroom. Interesting decorations. Don't mind my foot. Our package included wine and hors d'oeuvres, dinner for 2. Of course, we got some drinks. And then the famous mineral baths, which we're going to go check that out now. Wait till you see this. Check this out. Holy shit! This is absolutely insane. This is very relaxing. It's got to be at least 100 degrees in here though. Holy shit. If this is what rich people do, sign me up, son. So now that we're done with that, we're going to check out upstairs. These are just a few pictures. I didn't want to be too intrusive. I don't know if there was guests or not, but obviously there was a lot of noise. So back to the room, we had a lot of these interesting pictures on the wall. Feel free to pause and check them out. Very cool. Very interesting if you like history. You can't really tell here, but on this mirror, it looked like there was nose prints on the back of it. I believe this is something for a horse. I'm not real sure. Dear Diary, I'm here at the Original Springs Hotel, which is haunted. And so far, I've seen no ghosts, but I've heard lots of gas. Here's a couple shots of the pool area from upstairs. Ready to leave. This has absolutely been one of the best experiences we've had together in a long time. I would recommend this place hands down. If you're close by, Okawville, Illinois, check it out. So we made it back home. Had an excellent time. If you get a chance to check that place out, I recommend you do. The prices are reasonable. The room rates are reasonable. You can just get mineral baths, everything's separate if you want to just check out the spa. I didn't see anything haunted, no ghosts, no weird experiences. We were on what would be considered the second floor, and from what I can understand, the third floor is what's the most haunted, which we just went and took pictures of. There were some noises upstairs throughout the night, but there could have been guests. I'm not real sure. I didn't go ask. I wasn't being nosy. As far as seeing anything like orbs or apparitions, the only thing I saw in a picture I'll post here. But that could have been anything. That could have been light refracting off something. Who knows? Regardless, it was a fun time. It was storming though. The electric kind of went out. That freaked me out. I was awake. My wife, she crashed, but still. Very cool. Very neat place. Thanks for watching.